How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. As you can tell by the title, daily analysis update on Hbar. So let's waste no more time and take a look at what's happening with Hbar's price right now, and of course what we could be expecting going into Friday morning. Time is going so fast. I cannot believe, we are already halfway through the month of March. The year of 2025 seems like it just started, and here we are almost coming to the end of March, and time's going by fast, and it is quite scary to me specifically. Do let me know in the comments down below if you can relate to that as well. But yeah, if you're looking across the board, the overall market, trending back into the green. Hbar is actually down right now, but I know a lot of people are going to come out and say, well, why is Hbar down, this and that? But you are seeing a few coins that are still down right now. So, of course, we need to keep that factor in mind. Hbar down 2.7% with the price currently sitting at 19 cents. Also down 2% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, if you're looking at the market cap, $8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at $372.2 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as far as the dominance is concerned, guys, you're looking at the dominance, it has been pulling down over the last, 24 hours. So you can see, the dominance is sitting at about 62.24%, it was quite high. And since then, we have seen the dominance, pulling down. But, what actually has happened for Bitcoin also was that, Bitcoin yet again was seeing a rejection at the 38.2 fib zone, made its way back into the 0.50. And speaking about back into the 0.50, we saw the price of Bitcoin dropping down to $79,800, but it had seen a little bit of a bounce since then. But again, as I've stated in my other XRP update, of course, the fact that we are sitting below the 38.2, the chances of us going down to the likes of that 76.3 is still on the table, believe it or not. Because of course, we're nowhere near where the price of Bitcoin needs to be. But yeah, these are factors we need to consider. Even though the dominance is pulling down right now, not a big time to be getting overly excited just yet, because Bitcoin is not where I would like to see Bitcoin at. But everyone has their own ways of analyzing the prices. But that is where I currently stand. But let's take a look at what's happening with Hbar. So Hbar price still hovering within the within the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. What's quite interesting here, yet again, I really want to point this out to you guys, because I know a lot of people will overlook this, especially during times like this, where Hbar is seeing a little bit of a retracement. You are seeing Hbar, consolidating really nicely, especially, being supported around this 18.8 cents. And as I've stated to you guys before, we're still not retesting a February 28th level, despite the fact that, we're already seeing a little bit of a lag for Hbar against the market over the last 24 hours, because, the broader market is starting to go back into the green little by little. But, obviously, if we keep that into consideration, you're still seeing Hbar, holding really good, despite the fact we're seeing a little bit of a retracement against the market. So I'm very impressed. Of course, in terms of ETFs, obviously, a lot of people want to see Hbar ETF being approved, but I think we're going to see that happening in the near future. I think we're going to see multiple different digital assets getting that approval, but as of now, of course, that's not the case. But of course, we could hope for that. But as of now, the price is holding really nicely. I do expect the price to make its way back up to the likes of 22 cents if the price of Bitcoin were to reclaim back into the 38.2, and dominance continues to pull down. If dominance continues to pull down, this is the sign that you want to be looking for. You want to see the dominance pulling down. This would be a great sign if you are an altcoin holder. So I do expect Hbar to bounce back up to the likes of the 61.8 resistance around the 21.2 cents. But of course, right now, Bitcoin is a factor that, we shouldn't be ignoring. But let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, I hate to say it, if Bitcoin were to, tumble back towards the 76.8, and of course, dominance makes its way back up to the likes of 62.84%, the chances of us retesting the 15.5 cents is still on the table. Right now, Hbar actually hasn't really decided in which direction it wants to go. That's something I want you guys to really understand right now. So we'll look for confirmations. I'll keep you guys covered. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.